see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean.
Yo, what is good, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2018 Mustang GT and my 2008 BMW 335i. So for today's video, I got some parts in for the Beamer. Let me open them up, show you what it is, and then we're gonna go ahead and install them real quick. So yeah, let's get right into the vid. Alright, so in here I have the kidney grills, gloss black. And they're the double slit ones. I think that'll make the front end look pretty nice. And then I also picked up some light bulbs for the clear halo lights. So hopefully these fit. The Amazon ad said it would, but yeah, we're gonna check it out, put them on, see if it works. So you're gonna want to remove these to get the grill out, and then up here these three to get that part. You can pull this. And there's some little clips back here. And you just push on those tabs and pull the grill out. See, there's one right there. It's out. That's the old one. It's all plastic dipped. And these are the new ones. And the new ones have the same clips. You just clip them back up. Alright, so those are in, clipped in, and just tighten these little things back up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. They're all pretty solid. These are the old plastic dipped ones. Alright, that's done. Now on to the lights. You gotta come in through here and it's in there. This part, I don't know if you guys could see, the lighting kind of sucks. Alright, so I was able to get to it through underneath the car, but I don't think it's gonna work because these bulbs are different. Mine is like that square box in here. That's where the bulb is for mine. So those probably are not gonna work. Fuck. I'm gonna have to return them and get some different ones. So we'll save that for another video. So here's what they look like on the car now. Pretty nice. Now I just gotta paint or wrap my bumper to match the car, but we'll save that for another video.